kids. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who will tell me what should I draw today? Yes, today I draw chicken for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is very easy and simple drawing. First of all, you need to draw the box. The box where chicken leg sticks are laid. Draw the box is very easy. Firstly, draw the mouth of the box. And then draw its body. Always use the scale to draw the lines. Using the scale makes the lines straight. Then draw the chicken leg. Wow, it's so yummy. I like the leg piece of chicken. Do you like this? Draw the second, third, and fourth of the chicken legs. Don't forget to draw the bone of legs. Draw the leg of chicken is very easy. You can draw this at home. I draw the 4-leg piece. You can draw the 1 or 2 chicken legs. This is your own choice. Then draw the lines in box. Lines make the box so beautiful and amazing. Use the scale to draw the lines. I draw the 3 lines. Each of the line is double. I use the scale to draw the lines. Wow, that's great. Don't forget to outline the drawing. Using the deep marker to outline the drawing. Outline makes the drawing so beautiful and awesome. Always use the black marker to outline the drawing. Outline the chicken legs and then outline the box. See, outline makes the drawing so beautiful and amazing. Who will tell me what is missing? Yes, who will tell me? Is this drawing ready? No, this is not ready. The colors is missing in the drawing. So let's coloring the drawing with me. Let's start it. First of colors in the chicken legs. Use the yellow in it. I like yellow color so much. Do you like this color? Use the color carefully and softly. See, yellow color looks so beautiful. Wow, that's yummy. I want to eat this chicken legs. Use the yellow in the 4 of chicken legs. Then I use the green color in the box. I also like the green color. Do you like this color? I use the color in a very soft way. Wow, that's awesome. The contrast of yellow and green colors looks so beautiful. The color of box is usually in red color, so I use the red color. Use the red color in the lines of box. Use the red color at the middle of the lines. See, my drawing is almost ready. The chicken legs look so yummy and tasty. I want to eat this. I like this drawing so much. Do you like